Welcome back, folks, to Fluffy's Brick Studio, and today we will be taking a look at Santa's Delivery Truck. 224 pieces, set 40746, 8 plus set, retails between $19.99 to $24.99 on the Lego store. This set is perfectly perfect if you want to add this addition to your post office, which that set released out in 2024. One amazing thing about this set is the versatility of storing presents and mail all up in this set. As you look on the back of the box, you'll see some examples of the roof removes. You got a mail letter with the minifigure. The whole truck opens up. A brick-built Christmas tree. He's also got a shovel and a lantern. Those are some of the key features. We'll get a little more in-depth after we build this set, and then we'll review it at the end. So stay tuned. We're about to build this set, and at the end, we'll go a little more in depth on what the set is in detail. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's start off by saying if you have the new Christmas set from 2024, which is the Santa's Post Office, this car right here, which a lot of people thought was going to be just the GWP, would be absolutely amazing because this is the North Pole Post Office truck. That's what I'm calling it. You have a brick-built Christmas tree that can sit right on top of the truck. You also have a nice lantern on the side of the truck with several stickers. You got two stickers on the outside, one here, one here. You also have another sticker for the license plate sitting right here, 40746. Is that the set number? Can we confirm? Can I have some confirmation if that's the actual set number? Is it so? That's kind of ironic. It is. 40. That's kind of ironic. 40746. That's the set number. We also got some amazing lights that we can light in the future on the side. We also have a brick with a printed brick of a mail envelope. We've seen this in many, many sets, especially in the Harry Potter sets. The minifigure that you'll get included in this set is a little like Papa Elf kind of minifigure. He's got a mustache, some glasses, printed front piece, small kid legs, and you also got a printed back piece. The headpiece is molded, so you got the little elf ears on the side, which is absolutely amazing. Some tools that you're going to get on the truck will be a shovel, a wrench, a bag. That's pretty much what you're going to get on the outside. Now the inside's pretty easy. You take the tree off, you take the roof off, which comes off nicely. And then you can open this door and drop the bag. By looking inside, you're now going to be able to get an inside look of, one workshop one workshop sticker, another workshop sticker over that side. This one mainly has like paintbrushes and paint. This is more like the tools, the saw, the hammer, the tool bag. You also got a total of 6 gifts inside. One here, 2 on the bottom, and 3 miniature ones on the side. This actually is kind of funny because this reminds me of, this is possibly a wind up truck. That's how we're going to operate it. You got to wind up the truck, and that's what's going to make it go. And if this is kind of reference like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, the truck was wind up. So that's kind of a reference from that movie if you did not know. You would have to be a classics child, you know, someone in their 30s or 40s or 50s right now that actually understand that reference of winding up your vehicle in order for it to get a move. All in one set, absolutely pairs very well with the actual post office set. This set was only $19.99 or $24.99. Not 100% sure which one is, but for this price, over 200 pieces, a nice quick little Christmas set, you can't go wrong and will display perfectly in your Christmas village. And I don't care what anybody says, a Christmas village can be lit all year long. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, keep building your life just one simple brick at a time.